Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ToFit.Linda. This is Linda Emmanuel and I am on a journey to losing 120 pounds. If this is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you for always coming back to support me. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make my oatmeal fufu, because I've been on a low carb diet ever since I started my weight loss journey. I've been on a low carb diet and I've seen huge improvement in my health. In fact, in general, I've seen huge improvement. So guys, I'll be using, these are the two oats that I do use: the organic instant raw oats. It has no preservatives, non-GMO, cholesterol free, no added flavor. And also I use my organic raw oat. I use this too. This one has no pesticides, no chemical additives, no preservative. It is certified organic by ProSat Canada. So if you are able to get this, fine, but if you cannot get this, please go with the one that is available within your area. It is still the same thing, but I choose to go with organic raw because it is the best. So stay tuned as I show you all how I make my oatmeal fufu. And please guys, a quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. It is not sponsored, guys. I decided to make this video because it has been highly requested from me. With that being said, let's get started into the video. And please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that right now and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, so stay tuned as I continue on this video. oatmeal fufu is ready, guys. And the good thing about this is it goes well with every soup, so you can eat this with any choice of soup you want to eat it with. So yeah, that is it. That's how I make my oatmeal fufu. I will see you guys in my next video, and please be sure to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and go follow me on my Facebook page tofitlinda, and on my Instagram account Linda_King111. I will be leaving the links in the description box below, so make sure you go follow me, like, share this video to your friends and family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.